Breaking away from tradition, House Speaker Faustino Boji III is ready to shake things up in Congress with a bold proposal that hits close to home in a move that could separate the men from the boys. He plans to file an anti-political dynasty bill aiming to draw clear lines on family ties in politics. Mela Lesmoras tells us more.
As part of the new reforms in the House of Representatives, Speaker Faustino Boji III announced that he will be filing an anti-political dynasty bill. According to Speaker D, he knows that many will raise their eyebrows at this, since he himself comes from a prominent political family. However, he believes it is about time to clearly define what a political dynasty really means, and that this measure would also give more Filipinos the opportunity to serve and take part in governance.
Sa totoo lang po, marami po akong pamilya na nasa pwesto. Pero may ilan din naman pong natalo sa eleksyon. Sa uli, taon bayan pa rin ang nagpasya kung sino ang gusto nilang mamuno sa kanilang mga lugar. Kaya't, samahan po ninyo kung isulong natin ng isang panukalang batas na magbibigay ng malinaw at makaturungang definasyon ng political dynasty.
Several lawmakers have expressed support to Speaker D's statements, especially since political dynasties are often linked to issues of corruption.
Talagang yan ang patunay na handang magsakripisyo si Speaker Boji D para sa reforma at sa kapakanan ng ating bayan.
We really have to define what political dynasty means without infringing on the individual rights of the person, because a person's vote, if you are given the right to vote, you also have to be given the right to run in office.
At present, several anti-political dynasty bills have already been filed in the House and more continue to be added. The latest among this is House Bill number 5905 filed by the Akbayan Reform Bloc.
Tingin ko po ang version na ito ay pinaka-comprehensive. Simpleng-simple lang po ang gustong sabihin ng batas na ito. Una ay kapag kayo ay magkamag-anak hanggang 4th degree of consanguinity or affinity, ibig sabihin na hanggang first cousin, tatay mo, asawa mo, anak mo, biyanan mo, lolo mo, ay hindi po pwedeng tumakbo sa kahit anong posisyon na public elective official. Pangalawa, kapag gusto yung tumakbo sabay, hindi rin po pwede. Or kapag ikaw ay magsasucceed sa isang posisyon na kamag-anak mo or meron kang kamag-anak na nag-hold pa ng ibang posisyon, ay hindi rin po pwede.
The group also urged the Senate to support the measure, emphasizing that even if it passes the House, it would go nowhere if it merely sleeps in the Senate.
Kailangan natin ito, hindi lang dahil kokonti lang ang may hawak ng kapangyarihan, kung hindi para sa atin, para maging maunlad at maayos at progresibo ang Pilipinas.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.